Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Simplified Basic Concepts. In my earlier videos, I spoke about motivation, introduction to it and motivation cycle. And today, I'll talk about motivation theories. Now this is a very small topic, yet it is very important because here all the theories of motivation will be covered and why these motivation theories are important for business organizations. So let's begin. Now the introduction. Motivational theory is concerned with discovering what drives individuals to work towards a goal or outcome. So what are motivational theories? These theories speaks about those things, the urges that drives or pushes an individual to work so that they accomplish or finish their goals which they have set. Now, the businesses are interested in motivational theory because motivated individuals are more productive, leading to more economic use of resources. So, these businesses or organizations are very much interested in the motivational theory because if they have an idea, if they know what motivates an individual, then by applying those concepts, they can motivate the employees, which in turn can prove to be the biggest assets for the organization because motivated individuals put in heart and soul to achieve their goals. Not only that, they also use more economic use of the resources. So this will be dual advantages for the business. Now there are two types of motivation theories. One is content theory, other is process theory. The content theory focuses on what motivates human behavior. These theories are also known as need theories. These are the earliest theories of motivation. This theory explains the necessities and requirements that are essential to motivate a person. So content theory basically focuses on the needs that are important for an individual to be motivated. Now, what can be those needs are being spoken by all the theories of motivation which are clubbed under content theories. And now the process theories. The process theories are concerned with how motivation occurs. Process theories focuses on what kind of process can influence our motivation. This theory outlines various behavioral patterns of individuals in fulfilling their needs and requirements. So the process theory basically focuses on the process by which an individual can be motivated. So both the content theory and process theory speaks about motivation of human, but both of it speaks in a different way. Motivation theory focuses on the need which can motivate the human behavior, and process theory focuses on the process by which an individual can become motivated. And here are the major motivation theories being clubbed into these two categories of motivation. So the main content theories of motivation are Maslow's need hierarchy theory, Herzberg two-factor theory, Adler's ERG theory, and McClelland's theory of motivation. The main process theories of motivation are Skinner's reinforcement theory, Room's expectancy theory, Adams' equity theory, and Locke's goal-setting theory. Now, these theories are being clubbed into content theory and process theory because all the theories clubbed under content theory speaks about the need which is important for the human and how these needs can motivate an individual. While in process theory, these theories speaks about the process by which an individual gets motivated. All these theories will be covered by me in my coming videos. So with this, we come to the end of this topic, and in my next video, I'll start with Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Thank you.